What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Let's get into it. How you guys doing today? So, let's start off with happy Friday. We call Fridays chill days, right? So we go Fridays is small size chill day. Just sit back, trade your setups, and just relax. Wait for the money to come to you, right? So we got our hydration in here, ready to go. My wife picked up this hydrogen health bottle. It's supposed to be healthy for you. Puts hydrogen in the water, but we'll check it out, right, guys? So let's get into it, guys. I hope you guys are having a good one. Hope everything's Gucci. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so we'll start off with NQ because it's my bad boy I got right here. So we got NQ going on. We have our levels drawn out. So before we start the day, it is 6:20, 10 minutes to the open. For all my opening orb traders, you got 10 minutes till the open. So I have my chart set up on a 30 minutes. If you're new to my channel, do me a favor, guys, because I know you guys are watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and put a comment. Appreciate it, guys. But we have levels. So we have London high 25,692, London low 25,540, which is down here, and then we have Asian high 25,731 and Asian low 25,661, which is right here. And then this blue line I have drawn down here is going to be your previous day low, which is going to be 25,482. Okay, so we got that drawn up, ready to go. I'm going to show you guys also the Dowie Dow. Show you guys the Dow. So here's the Dow. I have the Dow going on. This is a little indicator that I have. It's supposed to tell you all the buy spots. Obviously, it's not always right, but this is the Dow. We'll talk about the Dow level for you guys as well. So we have big levels that I'm looking on the Dow Jones is I'm looking 49,433, 49,299. I trade the Dow a little bit different than I do the NQ. Previous day low, 49,256. So basically on the Dow, what I'm thinking, the game plan for the Dow this morning is pretty simple. I'll actually show you guys. So what I want to happen, or what I'm looking for, is a drop into previous day low into this level, right? And then I'm looking for a reversal, and I'm looking for it to bounce back into 49,437. So that's the game plan I'm looking on the Dow. And I have the Dow set up on another chart, but I am looking for a drop into previous day low, 49,252. The problem is it could flush through. So I don't want to get caught because it could flush through to 49,191 and then give us the reversal. And the reversal might be a little bit shorter. It might even go into 49,304. Ideally, my setups on previous day lows, my edge is anything below this, I go ahead and short it. And it has a pretty 80% win rate on it once you're below previous day low on the indexes. If you short it, you usually get a nice, good little 25 to 50 point move, nice little scalp. So that's the game plan for YM, right? Okay, so I mean, but that can change as well. If it just decides to just sell, then sell. But I do want it ideally before I go long on the Dow. I want it to take out previous day low because I don't want to get caught in the long then flush down. And then we talked about NQ. I'll pop it up on my trading view. Same idea. You have your Asia high, your London low, and then these are levels that are important to me. 25,587. Again, I don't know if NQ is going to flush down into London low and take it out and give us previous day low, or if it's just going to leave it, come off the open, rip into VWAP, and then go into our next level, which is 25,681. Two important levels. This is previous day opening range level. We sold off all morning, and then we pretty much crawled back up almost to the tick, and then we sold off again. So Asia, we crawled back up, literally tapped it, right? Yesterday's opening range, and then we sold off during London. So now two things. two game plans I have for NQ. Flush right off the open, take London low, take previous day high, and maybe take 25,426 and make a new lower low than yesterday, right? And then obviously just do the repeat of what they did yesterday, come back in, get the reversal, and then come back down. Or we continue the flush on a Friday and we fill this gap down. So those are your possible outcomes. Is, are we going to fill the gap, right, today, or are we just going to sell, come back up, and then reclaim back into that? So those are the two possibilities that I'm looking at, but it is Friday, so we usually don't have that much volume on Fridays. We don't have that much push, that much ATR. I don't really use ATR. A lot of people do. I just know Friday based off, the price action. When you spend so much time watching the markets, you kind of have an idea. Fridays are kind of usually slowish. So my expectations are Fridays are usually not that big, right? I'm usually not like, yeah, we're going to smash it, right? So that's game plan for this. We're going to wait. Again, we could get off the open, right? Off the open when opening range comes at 6:30, 5 minutes. We could rip off the open and just flush back into this. So that's that. What else? Show you guys ES. I don't trade ES too much because it's a pain in my butt. Yeah, it's a little too slow for me. It's actually slower than the Dow. But let me show you guys real quick. I will show you ES before we start the trading day. So same thing, little indicator I have that supposedly shows you the sales off. It's free, nothing crazy. So key level broke down yesterday, 69.58. Another key level I'd be looking at yesterday is this, how it keeps bouncing off on ES, 69.25. This, right, bounces in the London, bounces, holds, is held a little bit right now. So 4 times on ES, 69.25. I would be looking if it keeps on holding this level for a reclaim on ES, and then that would validate our thesis on that reclaim for ES to come back into 69.58, possibly back into 69.45, right? That level. Or off the open, we flush nasty and we come down and take previous day low. So those are your two possibilities on ES. Okay. And that is it. So that's pretty much the game plan I've gone over. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy. That's it. I keep it simple. I keep it KISS. Keep it simple and stupid, basically. Man, it's cold last night. People out in Vegas. It's been chilly lately. But, okay. So, 4 minutes to the open. 3 minutes to the open. Let's see what we get. See if we get a flush. We got our accounts ready. Got the ATMs ready. All right. Like I said, we're watching, waiting for the open. Get your cup of Joe ready to go. Cheers. Good morning. Yeah, so I went over NQ, I went over ES, and I went over YM this morning. And a question I asked myself before you want to go tilt is, does this benefit your team? Again, I keep repeating the same thing. Your team being your fam, yourself, whatever. Another question I say is, does this benefit your best self in the future? So whenever you want to go tilt, just ask yourself that little question, and it helps out preventing you from going tilt. I have a little sticky note that I read while I'm trading. I have money, real $100 bills that I keep right here to make it feel as real as possible, right? Because sometimes you're trading and you feel like it's a video game. So helps me out. Tips for all there. Okay, so it looks like we're bouncing. We're popping here. It is 6:29. Ideally, I want to see what happens right off this open. Let's see what we get. I said we could have made a bottom here at the London, and we could pop up. So we're gonna wait for 6:30. We're not gonna chase. We're just gonna wait for the actual open level to come out. Only 1 minute. Still waiting. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to take the long on the Dow. Oh, nope. Let's see. All right. Taking first long on the NQ to see if she's going to rip it. There you go. She going to want it. She want it, boy. She want it, won't it? Let's see. Nice rip. Let's see if the rip continues. Took one off. And then we'll wait. Okay, so we're waiting. We took the rip off. We're off the open level. Opening level for NQ is gonna be 25,607. Let's see if she continues to rip. Opening level off the Dow is 49,353. The Dow, I have it pretty tight in case she comes back down. I think she's gonna take that previous day low that we talked about. And then at the NQ, I'm waiting to see if she wants to continue the rippy. I want to join it, but I have to see it. Continuation. Dow's about to take out that low. Dow's looking pretty weak. 82 points down from the... Okay, so we just on the Dow, we just flipped short, and we are looking for a drop into previous day low. Seems like it wants to give it. Okay. She's selling off. Looking good. All right. Look at it. Very nice 20 points. Let her run. 22 points. Beautiful. Love it. And Q was beautiful. Let's see if this... That's a nice long off the open. We got a pullback. Let's see if it continues. We got a nice little pullback. Make that a little bit bigger for you guys. There you go. We're going to keep it short. We're going to keep it short in case it takes us out. Keeping it short. Nothing too tight on this size. Okay, she just took out the opening level, so we went ahead and switched it real quick. And we'll hold the top there to see if she wants to come back up and reclaim. Dow is, again, selling off. The Dow is selling off. Dow wants to take previous day low at 49,252. She's continuing. We want to see her flush. All right, we're up 22 points on the Dow. Very nice. Dow is continuing the flush here. Dow still has not taken out previous day low. Seems like it wants to. It's continuing down. Tape is moving pretty quick on NQ. Oh, there goes the Dow. 10 points. There she goes. Boom. Just took the lows. Awesome. Okay. So we're all out of the Dow trade. We have one micro left on the Dow. She just tapped previous day low 49,255. Next level on the Dow is going to be that 49,191. Don't know if we're going to get it. Waiting to see if we get that. But we did get that tap. We have a stop at the top of 49,386 on the Dow. And then we have right over here the NQ. We'll take a little piece there. Little piece there. And then we'll wait. We'll sit on hand on NQ. Want to see if you're going to take this lower low right here. We're going to sit on hands real quick. Again, Dow is looking juicy. Let's see. Okay, NQ is feeling pretty Gucci. Want to see it take out this 30-minute other bar so we can continue down. I always feel confident on a 30-minute when we take the previous bar low. So like if you see here, we took it, then it flushed. Another example, we took here, then it flushed a little bit. I always feel much more confident towards the trend when we take out a 30-minute bar, right? So still watching the Dow. The Dow already tapped previous day low, so I'm keeping that in mind. Here is NQ. We're going to add a small starter position and a quick stop. It's going to be right here. And once we flush out this previous low here on this 30-minute, we will add to this position. Again, if you guys look on a 30-minute chart, when we break a previous low bar, it continues an extra 20 points, 25 points. So that's why it's always easier to add to a position once it takes it. NQ's kind of doing its thing right now where it's trying to go back up. So I'm keeping the sides very tightish, right? Just one micro because I don't feel confident on the play right now. Dow just hit previous day low. I just added to that on the Dow. We just added to the Dow. Feel pretty confident about this trade here on the Dow. We're going to see if she wants to continue down and give us a flush. Let's see. All right, there's the Dow. She's giving a little bit of a flush. 7. More of a flush. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Dow's giving us the flush we wanted. We're about to take off the Dow. Boom, just took off the Dow. Okay, we just got a nice flush on the Dow. About $65. Done. How's this trade going on NQ? So we're good on the Dow and kind of Gucci on that. See how it just came down to this tick here and it still held that. So I'm still going to wait. I'm still going to wait to see if it wants to take that out. Because on a 1 minute chart, you can tell it bounces. Buyers come in. Buyers are coming in. I'm good on the Dow there. I'll take another trade on the Dow if she decides to participate and come back up and go back into it. But Dow is sitting at previous day low, and it is sitting at S1 pivot level support. So I think I'm good there on the Dow on that trade. I'm going to wait. And I'm just going to wait on this trade on NQ. $6.40, so already 10 minutes in. So like I said, make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe, all that Gucci stuff. We love it. We love it on this channel. All right. Dow is continuing to flush. Let's see this NQ. I needed to take that 30-minute bar, just not doing it. Dow wants to build a bottom. Just keeps flickering. Did one more wash. Now it's buyers are coming in. And then you have, so I want you guys to look at the tape here on NQ. It's moving. So like I said, I wanted to take this right over here, and then I'll join the party, right? I feel pretty good about it. But she's holding pretty good. Okay, there you go. So ideally, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to flush right there. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to give it some room to breathe. We added to that little dip there. And Dow is flushing now. Dow's giving up the buns. Dow's about to hit 49.191, which is a level we have on there. I'm going to see if it hits it. Yeah, we're definitely not adding to NQ here. If it takes us out, that's fine. Up top there, it's no big deal. I'm actually going to keep it really tight. I'm not even going to give it enough room to reclaim back up. I'm going to cut it right here. And we're just hanging out on the Dow. See if she wants to keep flushing and give us a 49.91. She doesn't look like it. I'm getting the feeling that NQ wants to chop today. Wants to do the chop game, which I'm not digging it. There, okay, there's a rip. Okay, so she wants to go. She wants to go. She's looking like she wants to go, right? So we're going to join the party then if she wants to go. We're gonna join the party. We're gonna join the party. We're joining the party here to see if she wants to give the buns up. I'm still short in the Dow. Waiting for a continuous flush. Still short in the Dow. I'm short 49.226 in the Dow, and I'm looking for a flush here on the Dow. Still waiting. Dow's wants to give the buns, but it's like I won't wanted to take out 49.191. I just don't know if she's going to give the buns. I don't know if she will. We're just gonna wait. I'm gonna sit here and wait, let it do its thing. How's NQ? Ooh. Yeah, NQ's doing it's feeling choppy as hell. I'm still watching Dow to see if she wants to reject previous day low or if she wants to continue up. So I'm still watching the Dow. Still hanging out on the Dow. So we cut that trade there because it gave a little pop on the Dow. And then we're waiting for this one. We're waiting for NQ to do its magic. Waiting for NQ to do its magic. Magic. It's magic. See if she wants to pop. You want it, baby. You want it, baby. Pop. You want it, baby. Let's see. She's holding pretty good there. Trying to see what she does. Yeah, see if she wants to take this out here. Yeah, the Dow's just whippy. Definitely not digging the Dow today. She's definitely just whipping up. But so we're out of the Dow trade there. We're just waiting, chilling here. Let's see. Just waiting to see what the NQ wants to do, if she wants to take this or not. Yeah, sometimes the Dow sucks, cojones. Let's see what ES is doing. Oh, okay, so she bounced off that 69.25 level again, right? Ooh, she wants it. She wants it, yeah. She wants it, yeah. She wants it. Everybody likes that song, right? I like that song. So I'm just chilling here, letting the trade work out. If it decides to take me out, so be it. Yeah, I'm letting it do its thing. I'm not really tripping. Yeah, she wants it. Oh, she wants it. Yeah. Yeah, looks like she wants to take me out. Oh, she wants it. Oh, she wants it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna let the trade do its thing right now. Yeah, it's like she wants to, but she wants it. Yeah, she wants it. Yeah, she wants it. Yeah, yeah, she wants it. Hmm. Oh, looks like it's coming back up. Look at that. Yeah, she's very whippy, and the volume is kind of dried up, which I hate, which is no good because the volume is going down. The tape is kind of stalling too. So we're just chilling here, waiting to see what she wants to do. If she wants to go. She's looking like she wants to rip a dipper. Oh yeah, she's looking rippy. Ooh, come on, rip already. What is she gonna do? Is she gonna rip? Just waiting to see what she wants to do. To do. If she wants to rip it, rip it, rip it. Ooh, she got rejected. Yeah, I hate this price action. Shit sucks. price action sucks cojones. It's like she wants to go, but she doesn't want to go. She wants to go, but she doesn't want to go. Oh, oh. Yeah, I mean, I'm still not adding to that. I mean, I could add my way out of this, right? You always could. You could just do this. I fucking hate doing that. But a lot of prop traders do negative R. And then this will pretty much take them out of their position, right? That's the easy way to get out of your losses. Even then, that only took back like a couple losses here and there, but yeah, that's the no fun way. We're down about 300 on this account here, so we're gonna let it rip though. Oh, she's ripping. There you go. Look at that. Well, she's ripping, and I feel like she's gonna hold. She's definitely gonna hold this breakout. So we're gonna add into this baby boy. We're gonna add into this baby boy. Let's rip off. There it is. Rip, 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 rip. Getting the rip. Nice. And we'll just take that off. Boom. Very nice. When does he forget a ripper here? She decides to rip a dip it. There we go. There's the ripper. Man, we were waiting for that fucking long forever. So yeah, we talked about it in the morning game plan today. That shit took forever to get. That shit sucked. It was no fun. But yep, we did it. I'm probably just gonna cut my trade right here. I don't think it's gonna continue up. I feel like I got a good piece of it. And we're back to green on that account, so. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Go, 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 go. All right. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Beautiful. Nice. Awesome. Love it. What a smashing trade that was. Nice pop. And we actually got to our key level 25,678, so I just took it off. That's it. So let me show you guys. Remember we talked about it this morning? We literally got to this level here. This fucking long was just a bitch. It was just a bitch today. It was no fun at all. But we got it, so that's nice. We got it to our key level here, and we sold at 25,684. So that's it. That is done for my trading day. I'm all done. That is it. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Yep, that's it. Cool. Yeah, that was a struggle today. Fridays are a bitch sometimes. But yep, we got the move we wanted. Literally got to that level. We even we took Asia low out. So yeah, we got our target for sure. There's our target right there. So you can see, boom, clean, right? We said never came close to taking out this previous day low. We have a previous day high. It might take it. And what I'll do is I'll just draw a previous day high for you guys. Boop, boop, she won't sit. Yeah, she won't sit. And previous day was, let me see, let me look on my trading view. Previous day high was 25,739. There we go. Here's your previous day high. So you have your previous day high and your previous day low. So I mean, she's in the middle of the sandwich, and she might go to take the rest of this, but I don't want to be a part of the rest of this fucking chop fest. And it is 7 o'clock. So that is usually my TikTok time of I trade for an hour, hour and a half, and then I bounce. So that is it for me. That's it for me. But yeah, I'll show you guys the good, the bad, all the shit. Yeah, I got smoked on the Dow. I went heavy thinking we were gonna go on the Dow. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys where the Dow fucked me. Or I fucked myself because I oversized. Here it is. Here's the Dow. So here's what I talked about on the Dow, right? I was saying, hey, we shorted, we took a little bit. We shorted here. This fucking candle right here smoked me out of my position, and then we got the level I was looking for. So it was just a little bit too much size. But thesis was right. Just too much size. That's it. It happens. It is what it is. Yeah, I mean, the NQ is ripping up. That's fine. I'm not going to be a part of it. I got the move from here all the way up here. So that's all I wanted. But we are done, guys. So not bad. 2 for 2. So it was a 50% day basically. So I got two accounts losing trades, red, and then I got 2 green accounts. So it is what it is. I'm not about to overstay. I'm not about to overtrade. I am pretty much done-ios. And then we'll come back next week. We'll start. So I'll probably skip Monday. I usually skip Mondays because we're getting so close to all-time highs. All-time highs are, what are they? 2,600, I think. Yeah, all-time highs are 2,600. So like, well, we're like 300 points from all-time highs, and I just don't want to get smoked. So 2,600 all-time highs is up here. I would say Monday we're probably going to clear that, and I don't feel like getting smoked. So I'm going to skip all-time highs. Faux Shozy, I'm going to skip that. And I will come back and trade this. So for Shozy, I will skip that. And then, yeah. So we'll skip that. All good. We will skip that. Do 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 do. Anyways, that was fun. Not a bad Friday. I'm about to actually go take a nap for work. So that's it. Next week we just do it again. We're gonna focus. So next week, focus is gonna be. We're gonna focus on just trying to catch bigger parts of the move, right? So again, micro, like one micro. Like if you had one micro and just held it, it's just a holding part. And you just got to get good at it, right? You got to get good at just holding one piece of the move so you can let the runners run. And it just takes practice for you to get good at that. So let's say you held, since I'm done trading, I'll go over this real quick for the day so you guys can see. So let's say you held one micro here, right? And your stop, so what, $62. Actually, your stop is London low. Boom, whatever. And you're just holding, you just long. You're like, okay, we've made a hold. We've buyers. You're like, bro, if we take this, we're gonna flush, right? But if we don't, we gonna go. So she comes up, she takes this. I think she's like midway right there, and then you just go. You just let it play out, and you make yourself a nice $252. The only problem is you gotta fucking wait between 6:42 to you had to wait for like 20 minutes and just sit there, just wait, or go make a fucking coffee, whatever, and then come back. It either hits your TP or it doesn't. But that's what I'm saying. It's like the smaller trades are the killing trades, are the bomb ones, right? Because you can get a lot more of this move here. Another thing is when you trade 30 minutes, it's a little less hectic than on a 1 minute, as you guys can tell. In that 1 minute, it's all that chop, 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 chop. And on a 30 minute, you're really focused on these levels, right? You're focused on these bottom wicks of the candles. So, because if you get a full, not the wick, but the actual bar goes below here, then you want to go short, right? So this wicks back up. I mean, you could have gone short, but you would have got stopped out at the top, and then you'd have been like, okay, so now I'm gonna go long, exactly how we did, right? We're 7 micros over here long, and then we got the pop. So we made back our loss, we made our money back, win, win, win. So that's what I'm saying. It's because you already knew, it already had buyers. So that's why I like using 30 minutes. It's a lot less noise, if you can tell. See, same thesis here. Your buyers, you hold. So you have your micro hold here, then your whips runs up. So yeah, next week we're probably gonna be all-time highs. And if I do come trade Monday, I doubt it. Probably just gonna sleep in. But if I do come trade Monday, probably just gonna stick to some micros. Yeah, game plan next week is gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna try to catch, at least 50 to 100 point moves. So from the bottom here, had you longed it to at least 660, that's a nice 100 point move. Now if you can consistently catch 100 point moves, yeah, I mean, it's money, right? $200, $300. It'll get you out of any drawdown, anything you're at. So a game plan for next week is we probably won't trade 2 of the accounts because they're green, they're good, they're in good standing. The other 2 accounts, they're red. We'll probably focus on those 2, and the game plan for those is just single micros, right? And as soon as we get $100, boom, done. $100, boom, done. And just get into the flow of just like focus on the trade and not focus on the outcome, right? So that's game plan. Today was pretty Gucci. So what I do at the end of the day is when I'm done, I count my money and make it feel real. This is real hundreds. I have them here just in case. So we let you guys know how we did today. So we got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,001. So I got 1,001. That's exactly what we made between two accounts, and that's it. This makes it feel real, makes it feel like I can touch it, helps the psyche. And I just put that here, and I just that's it. I stop. So now I'm like, all right, this is real cash. This is green, right? Going towards my payout. This is mine. So now all I got to do is put it here, and I just got to shut this off and not trade for the rest of the day and go on to next week. So that helps me not overtrade. The biggest issue I have, I would say 95% of traders have, is overtrading. Right? They're like, I can't stop trading. I can't stop trading. It's like, yes, you can. You just have to make it real. You have to be okay with that, to take what the market gives you. So I'm good. I mean, we'll focus on those two accounts next week. The other two accounts, we'll probably leave them on the back burner. You know, we'll do one or two trades to keep them active, but our focus will be the one micro, and that's it. So my goal is only to trade when I'm at my office, in my office here, and not to trade on my phone, not to trade Asia. It's just like literally once I shut these screens off, that's it. I'm not looking at the fucking charts. I don't give a flying F what happens in the charts, what happens in the futures. Yeah, I don't care, right? So I'm trying to disconnect more, so less is more. So I have the mental cap, so when I come the next day to show up to the market, I'm fresh, I'm ready to go. Because you do spend a lot of cortex, a lot of brain power, mental power to trade, because you make quick decisions. Like I've already made more than 20 decisions, and most people are still asleep. So keep that in mind, guys. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff. There's like 450 of y'all subscribe. Y'all need to be liking this stuff, okay? Let's go. 70% of you guys do not like my stuff, but you're subscribed. Come on, make that make sense. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one. Stay blessed. Peace.